Imagination is the key, and with Flexo you will see a Flexillion possibilities.
Incredible.
Good to see you again, Flexo fam. This week we're building our trampoline. We've made a couple trampolines in a whole range of colours and different sizes. Trampolines are a heap of fun. You can bounce all sorts of things off them. You can use the trampolines to bounce your minifigs around. These are the parts you'll need to build your trampoline. Here we've set out the colours that we've used to build our trampoline, but as always you can be creative with your colours. Okay family, let's get building. We're going to start by building the frame. Then we're going to place our second layer of bricks on top, which is going to lock the frame together. Make sure to push the second layer down firmly so the bricks are locked together. Now to make the springy part of our trampoline. We're going to use our bricks and T5 tendons in order to create the netting. Work your way along connecting the T5 tendons and the bricks, placing a second layer on top to make sure the tendons are locked in tight. Once you've finished creating the springy netting, you should have T5 tendons sticking out on all edges. Now it's time to connect the netting to the rest of our frame. Because the trampoline is going to have the tendons under tension, not everything's going to fit perfectly to start with. As you connect certain parts together, we find it's easiest to connect the finishing bricks on top straight away. As you can see, we're using the blue rectangle bricks on top to overlay the green bricks. What this does is it locks the bricks together, causing rigidity in the frame of the trampoline. Now we'll finish off the corners with 4 square blue bricks. So here we have the top layer of our trampoline, but it's still not ready to be bounced on just yet. We need to place it on top of the lower part of the frame. To line up the two parts correctly, we're first going to take the side of the yellow frame which has only 2 rectangle bricks. We're then going to connect that with the side of the blue frame that's longer. Place them on top and then clip them together. Here we've used an overlapping technique to strengthen the build. Now to make some legs for our trampoline and it'll be ready to bounce. We want to overlap our trampoline leg with the join of the bricks above. This is going to give us extra strength. And there we have our colourful trampoline. Time for you to get bouncing. That's the build from us this week, Flexo fam. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up and let us know. Don't forget to subscribe and make sure you have the notifications bell on so that every week when we come out with a new video, you'll know about it. Looking forward to seeing you next week. But in the meantime, get out there and be creative. Don't forget to think differently, and most of all, Flexo family, have fun.